Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class. Hope all of you are fine, staying at home. Dear students, I am going to discuss English First Paper Unit 5, Lesson 1, Art and Music. In my previous class, I discussed the passage, the summary, what is the theme of the passage, and some MCQ questions. I think some 5 MCQ questions. Today, I am going to discuss more MCQ questions because you have to practice a lot for gaining 5 marks from the MCQ questions. You know, the question MCQ from MCQ question you will get 5 marks if you can answer correctly 5 questions. And for these 5 marks you have to read the passage very carefully, and if you read the passage carefully then you can answer the questions. Okay? Today I am going to discuss some more questions from the passage. Okay? Question number F. Why F? Because in the last class we discussed A, B, C, D and E. So today I am going to start from F. Okay? F number question. What has the poet written in Ode on a Grecian urn? Options are death is inevitable. Number 2, man is a special being. Number 3, beauty is truth, truth beauty. Number 4, truth shall prevail. Correct answer is number 3. Beauty is truth, truth beauty. Number G. How many poems have been referred to in this passage? Answer options are number 1, 2, number 2, 3, number 3, 4, number 4, 5. Correct answer is number 1. That means correct answer is 2. Option number 1. Okay. Number H. Ugliness is an dash part of life. Options are number 1, indefinite. Number 2, inseparable. Number 3, inner. Number 4, indivisible. Correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Correct answer is number 2. That means inseparable. So, ugliness is an inseparable part of life. Number I. What is an important part of art? Correct answer options are number 1, beauty. Number 2, ugliness. Number 3, both. Number 4, none. Correct answer is number 1, beauty. Number J. What do poets and artists incorporate into their work? Number 1, truth. Number 2, beauty. Number 3, beauty and truth. Number 4, beauty and ugliness. Correct answer is number 2, beauty. Okay, then next question. Number K. Which of the following is incorrect for John Keats? Number 1, unpleasant truth is beautiful. Correct answer options are number 1, unpleasant truth is beautiful. Number 2, beauty manifests itself forever. Number 3, an ever beautiful thing is true. Number 4, truth belongs to art. Okay, the correct answer is number 4, truth belongs to art. Number L. According to the theme of the passage, what cannot ignore beauty? Answer options are number 1, ugliness. Number 2, art. Number 3, nature. Number 4, environment. Correct answer is number 1, ugliness. Number N. According to the context, which of the following is true? Answer options are number 1, John Keats was a philosopher. Number 2, John Keats was a novelist. Number 3, John Keats was a poet. Number 4, John Keats was a dramatist. Correct answer is, you know the correct answer. I think all of you understand the correct answer. John Keats was a poet. That means number 3. Number N. The best synonym of ingredient is, answer options are integral, number 2 integrated, number 3 factor, number 4 constitute. Correct answer is number 3 factor. Next question. Number O. The projection in line 10 refers to, answer options are number 1, act of projecting, 2, result of scheme, 3, scheme, 4, projector. Correct answer is number 1, act of projecting. Okay, then question number P. The word appreciate means, number 1, praise, number 2, choose, number 3, select, number 4, like. Correct answer, I think all of you understand the correct answer. Correct answer is number 1, praise. Number Q. Celebrated in line 14 could be best replaced by, number 1, famous, number 2, celebrity, number 3, long, number 4, short. Correct answer is number 1, famous. Number R. The word identity in line 3 could be best replaced by, number 1 option, reality, number 2 option, beauty, number 3 option, ideology, number 4 option, uniqueness. The word identity in line 3 could be best replaced by uniqueness. Okay, next question, number S. The best synonym of beholder is, options are number 1, runner, number 2, sender, number 3, watcher, number 4, stopper. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer is number 3, watcher. Okay, the best synonym of beholder is watcher. Next question, number T. Pleasurable stands for, options are beauty, number 1, number 2, cute, number 3, appreciate, number 4, something that gives pleasure. Correct answer is number 4, something that gives pleasure. Next question, number U. What does the word manifest mean? Number 1, bewilder, number 2, form, number 3, express, number 4, endure. Correct answer is express. Number 5, V. The word define means elucidate, number 2, complicate, number 3, mystify, number 4, distract. Correct answer is number 1, elucidate. Next question, W number question. You see, I have cut the question because there is a printing mistake here. So, go to next question, number X. The word stranger stands for, number 1 option, acquaintance, number 2 option, citizen, number 3 option, wanderer, number 4 option, native. Correct answer is number 3, wanderer. Next question, number Y. The word perception means comprehension, number 1 option, number 2 option, concrete, number 3 option, misconception, number 4, stupidity. Correct answer, the correct answer is number 1, comprehension. So the word perception means comprehension. Next, Z number question. The word desire stands for, number 1, repulsion, number 2, loathing, number 3, longing, number 4, distaste. The word desire stands for longing. So, correct answer is longing. Z number 1. The word widespread means, number 1 option, concentrated, number 2, limited, Number 3, extensive. Number 4, narrow. Correct answer is extensive. That means number 3. Next question, Z2. The word injustice means retreat, trespass, equity, chair. Correct answer is trespass. Okay, next question. Z3. The word ingredient means whole, culmination, audacity, component. The word ingredient means correct answer is component. That means number 4. The word ingredient means component. Okay, girl. Next question. There is also a printing mistake here, so omit the question. Go to the next question, Z5. The word assume stands for calculate, discard, infer, reject. Correct answer is infer. Okay. Next question, Z6. The word proportion means number 1, a part in its relation to the whole, something that divides or separates. Number 3, the product by multiplication. Number 4, procreation or natural generation. What will be the correct answer? The word proportion means the students who read the passage carefully can answer all the questions correctly. So, girls, please read the passage. Okay? The word proportion means correct answer is number 1, a part in its relation to the whole. Next, go to the next question, number A. The word confine refers to bound, to disappear, to appear, to limit. The word confine refers to, correct answer is number 4, to limit. Number B, like beauty, art. Options are ignores poetry. Number 2, celebrates poetry. Number 3, helps man to write poem. Number 4, helps us to understand poem. Correct answer is number 2, celebrates poetry. So, like beauty, art celebrates poetry. Number C, philosophers have told us that life is not endless. Beauty is an important part of life. Beauty is not everlasting. Beauty attracts everybody. Philosophers have told us that in this passage, okay, in this passage, philosophers have told us that from the passage we have come to know that beauty is an important part of life. So the correct answer is number 2. Beauty is an important part of life. Number D. What has poetry done with beauty and truth? Options are number 1, celebrated. Number 2, highlighted. Number 3, ignored. Number 4, cornered. Correct answer is number 1, celebrated. Number E. The word repulsed stands for, options are number 1, disguised. Number 2, ignored. Number 3, attracted. Number 4, regarded. Correct answer is number 2, ignored. So the word repulsed stands for ignored. Number F. Beauty also prevails in number 1, truth. Number 2, pleasurable objects. Number 3, ugliness. Number 4, beautification. Correct answer is beauty also prevails in ugliness. Beauty also prevails in ugliness. Okay, next question. Number G. What is difficult to define? Options are truth. Number 1. Number 2, beauty. Number 3, poetry. Number 4, philosophy. What is difficult to define? Correct answer is number 2, that means beauty. Number H. We discover beauty in movies, in tourist center. Number 3, in pleasurable objects and sights. Number 4, in literature. Correct answer is number 3, in pleasurable objects and sights. Okay, then next question number I. What do we get in the laughter of children and kindness of strangers? Number 1 option beauty, number 2 option amusement, number 3 option truth, number 4 happiness. So the correct answer is beauty. What do we get in the laughter of children and kindness of strangers? We get beauty. Number J, next question. We face difficulties. Number 1 option when we go through any poem. Number 2 when we are told to define beauty. Number 3 when we appreciate beauty. Number 4 when we are told to define truth. We face difficulties. Correct answer is number 2. That is when we are told to define beauty. So we face difficulties when we are told to define beauty. Next question number K. Who is the writer of the celebrated poem Ode on a Grecian Urn? So those who read the passage carefully can answer the question quickly. Options are Shakespeare, Browning, Wordsworth, John Keats. Correct answer is, John Keats. Next question number 8. We discover beauty in movies, in tourist center, in pleasurable objects and sights, in literature. Number 3, correct answer, in pleasurable objects and sights. Number I. What do we get in the laughter of children and kindness of strangers? Number 1, correct answer, beauty. Options are beauty, amusement, truth and happiness. Correct answer is beauty. Number J, we face difficulties when we go through any poem, when we are told to define beauty, when we appreciate beauty, when we are told to define truth. Correct answer is when we are told to define beauty. Number K, who is the writer of the celebrated poem Ode on a Grecian Urn? Options are Shakespeare, Browning, Wordsworth, John Keats. Correct answer, John Keats. Ingredient, next question number L. Ingredient refers to consciousness, identity, element, destination. Correct answer is element. Ingredient refers to element. Number M. Projection is synonymous with, correct options are proportion, exhibition, restriction, tradition. Okay, correct answer is number 2, exhibition. Next question number N. The word assume in the text could be best replaced by number 1 option proves, rejects, remains, seems. Correct answer is seems. That means number 4. Number O, celebrated is synonymous with observed, famous, unknown, modern. Correct answer is famous. Number P, philosophers have told us that life is not endless. Beauty is an important part of life. Beauty is not everlasting. Beauty attracts everybody. Correct answer is beauty is an important part of life. Number Q, difficulties occupy us when we are told to write a poem. 2, when we are told to define beauty. 3, when we are told to amuse other people. And number 4, when we are asked to define poetry. Correct answer is when we are told to define beauty. Next question, what could be the closest meaning for kindness in the passage? Options are cruelty, unkindness, brutality, humanity. Correct answer is humanity, that is number 4. Next question, S number, what does Keats mean by the expression beauty is truth, truth beauty? Options are number 1, we appreciate beauty because it is true. Number 2, what is beautiful everlastingly remains true. Falsehood is opposite to beauty. 4, none appreciates ugliness as it is not true. Okay, correct answer is number 2, what is beautiful everlastingly remains true. Number T, what could be the closest meaning for stranger in the passage? Neighbor, outsider, local, national. Correct answer is number 2, outsider. Next question is number U. What could be the closest meaning for innocent in the passage? Impure, sinful, sinless, sinning. Correct answer is number 3, sinless. Number V. What does the expression, and this is the last question, what does the expression beauty is easy to appreciate but difficult to define mean? Number 1. Approval of beauty is trouble-free, whereas its definition is troublesome. Number 2. We can appreciate beauty easily but explain it in a difficult way. Number 3. Appreciation of beauty is necessary but there is no need to define it. Number 4. We enjoy beauty but we don't define it. Okay, correct answer is number 1. Approval of beauty is trouble-free, whereas its definition is troublesome. Okay girls, that's all for today. And we have discussed many questions from MCQ. Okay, and to correct the answer, all the answer, you have to practice more questions and you have to read the passage very carefully, twice, thrice. Okay, and in the next class we will discuss some question answer from the passage. Okay, that's all for today. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe.